Welcome to DJM TV.
My people, we greet to now and welcome now once again to DJM TV. Make una do it always, they follow us, like, share, and subscribe. As now here they bring all the obonge gist, they come your way. All today news, I carry entertainment things can't give you now. We all know say very dark man don't come out from where they carry and go. And he don't come out for kiri. He don't come out to talk say he's back and he's back for real. He never to tell where he come out on Sunday, and today now they don't arrest Bob Risky, our mommy of Lagos. Waiting happen. EFCC say because of money laundry, now make them carry him. Very dark man don't come out to talk his own opinion for this arrest, and he even still go further to talk about the film where they say give him best female actress. My people, this drama between very dark man and Bob Risky, I not sure say go end very soon. No, I want play on the video. Make una hear waiting very dark man get to talk about the arrest of Bob Risky.
They don't arrest Bob Risky. You understand? First things first, Mr. Blue Audi, Mr. Lamborghini, Mr. Pinnock Estates for Lagos. I know say you be big boy, you get plenty connection, but I want advice you. See this matter, be a little piece of advice. No make any call. Though. You understand? If not, now this one go drown you. No say they do coded, now this one go bring you out, and everything where you get, you go lose out. You don't understand? You don't understand? The friend of my enemy, now my enemy. Wallah, na Abuja deal. But now you go lose everything. So just come on you and do as if you know see say they carry out. You understand? Just day your day. Now, you know what is funny? They say Bob Risky get connection. All the people where they connected to, they no go make any call, they no bond them where make them call now. Any big man where call now, I be saying the knock Bob. You understand? I want to see where that connection reach. I want to know your connection. Your connection will finish. It go finish. Now, why did they arrest him? Simple. Very simple now. Is it not? It's abuse of Naira now. They spray Naira, they match the Naira. Why would they be doing that? Under section 21, subsection 3 of the CBN Act of 2007, it says that if you manhandle the Naira, it is a punishable offense. So that's why they arrested him. Very small thing. The fine is 50,000 Naira. I'll pay it. But then again, yes, you know that do some other thing. I'll still send another. I'll send reports. You understand? I'll send another reports come again. You know, in the spray dollars, in the pack heap of dollars, all those bundle of money. You know, the house and everything. Now, guys, I suspect money laundering. I suspect it. So another petition will still be filed. Never find people that don't have anything to lose. You see this one room? Una go learn. Wallahi, una go learn. Una go learn. That's number one. Number two, in your large, right? If not me, wallahi, you get love say I know even the outside when all that thing they happen. Because me like this, I go push the agenda. They no go watch that your film. You understand? If they do as if you don't know what they do. They no go watch that film. That money where you take to that film. To say outside, oh yeah. With all your sons, that film, I no sure say go because I don't see any reason where you carry best dressed female give a man. It was a deliberate act. When they can't kick against them, because people no talk if or no talk. When they kick against them, you come and like, so just a publicity stunt. I sold my 2 cars. I borrowed money. Da. After you cry finish, you still go carry the Bob Risky, go do meet and greet. Nigerians, let me tell you what is funny that you people don't know. It's all these celebrities where they see, all these things where all these boys they do. You understand? All this Gabrielism and don't say they don't know. Don't say they know they see the negative impact of what these boys they do. But you know the problem, if they talk against them, they don't go give them American visa. And you know say Nigerian celebrities, they prefer American visa. As they do like that, so they go rather carry their sons of 12 years old, give main man post. May they give them visa than may they no reach to America. American are the ultimate price for them. They will do anything to get that visa. Now, why these people no fit talk? Don't be safe all those Bob Risky, you know, all those any boys, all those ones. Don't be safe all those people they near them, they know they feel something, that they feel them now. But what? Guess what? They no go fit talk. Because the mentality where those Yankee people don't put say if you talk against these things, you know, that it is a problem. Now, see, what people don't understand is this. If man want the knock man in business, You understand? Everything you want to do is your business. My only problem is no carry and come public, come the display am. Now let me and you go get problem. I no get problem. If my own dey do it, me and you no get problem. It's the public display. No be say I be saint. I no be saint too.
People una don watch the video, una don hear wetin very dark man talk. The matter go long as I talk am before. Make una do well to drop una comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ